This is the actual sound of the HAARP array in use.
These are state-of-the-art, this is the most versatile instrument like it in the world, and the largest system in the world.
The array is so powerful that it generated its own Aurora Borealis over the skies of Alaska. If it can make an Aurora Borealis, could it also turn Mother Nature into the mother of all weapons?
We're at that 5 minutes to midnight stage. This project is going to go through its last phase of development, and then these are going to be all over the planet. I think we generate huge risks to our weather systems, huge risks to our environment, and to people as well.
Government officials deny that operations like HAARP pose any threat to the population or the planet. But unanswered questions continue to fuel debate over the true nature of weather control. HAARP array in use.
This is what people are hearing all around the world. And this is what it's coming from. It's called HAARP. It's run by the U.S. government and its allies. Everybody's hearing it all across the world and wondering what the noise is. Well, we just found out where the noise was coming from. I just wanted to put it up and see what y'all thought. Let me know.